Web hosting business is growing from last couple of years, and now it's not harder to be a web hosting company yourself, as almost all web hosting companies provides reseller hosting, which enables you to start your own hosting business. Here is a step-by-step guide to choose a perfect hosting solution for you. Collect and write your hosting needs. Sometimes you don't need a lot of disk space and bandwidth as you are going to start small-scale websites. So it's not a good idea to go with expensive hosting companies. Simply collect and write down your hosting needs and then compare some shared hosting companies one by one to find a few which can fit on your needs. But if you are really in need of big space and bandwidth, then go for a VPS or a dedicated server. Such as sometimes if you have a discussion forum and your forum is going very popular and need heavy data transfer, then a dedicated solution is must. But sometimes you only need to host a single or a few multiple static websites. Static websites does not need a lot of disk space and bandwidth. So a shared hosting solution always works best for static web hosting. Even if you are looking to host a blog, then shared hosting plans will always work at start. Browse the hosting features. Go to some of the top hosting names such as HostGator, Bluehost, StarLogic, etc. and view their hosting features. For a static website, you don't really need to view advanced features like PHP, MySQL, Perl, etc. But for a dynamic website or blog hosting, you should always look for dynamic features like PHP, MySQL, and CGI, Perl. Most of WebHosts provides Fantastico, which is a great feature. Fantastico can install WordPress and some other great scripts in seconds. And this is all automatic. So this feature is great if you need for blogging, CMS, etc. Calculate your bandwidth and disk space needs and compare different hosting companies to find one best for you. If you are going for a dynamic website, then look for latest version of 5 Philippine pesos. It have more features than older 4 Philippine pesos. A lot of programming libraries are built in case if you are a PHP developer. How to know who is reliable? You cannot know which hosting company is reliable by simply going through their feature list. The best idea is go through some web hosting discussion forum like webhostingtalk.com and type the hosting company name in the search box with the word reviews. Then you'll find threads of all positive and negative reviews of that hosting provider. Now it's up to you which hosting company you'll be going for after reading these reviews.